Everyone, welcome again to Learn English Sentences. So, in this video, I'm gonna teach you some more advanced sentences. So, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch this video till the end. And also give it a thumbs up if you like this lovely video. Okay, so let's get going. इस बात का मुझसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It has nothing to do with me. It has nothing to do with me. लेकिन मैंने तुम पर भरोसा किया था. But I trusted you. But I trusted you. और तुमने मेरा भरोसा तोड़ा. And you broke my trust. And you broke my trust. उन्होंने मुझसे कहा था तुम ऐसा करोगे. They told me you would do that. They told me you would do that. जैसे मैंने तुम्हें पहले बताया, इस बात का मुझसे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. As I told you before, it has nothing to do with me. As I told you before, it has nothing to do with me. सच बता दो वरना मैं भी नहीं जानता मैं तुम्हारे साथ क्या करूँगा. Tell me the truth, otherwise I don't even know what I will do to you. Tell me the truth, otherwise I don't even know what I will do to you. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तुम मुझे मार दोगे. At the most you will kill me. At the most you will kill me. मैं मरने से नहीं डरता. I am not afraid of dying. I am not afraid of dying. किसने बताया तुम्हें मैं ऐसा करूँगा? Who told you I would do it? Who told you I would do it? मैं कभी नहीं करूँगा जो तुम मुझसे करवाना चाहते हो. I will never do what you want me to do. I will never do what you want me to do. मैं जानता था तुम्हारा जवाब ना होगा. I know your answer would be no. I know your answer would be no. इसलिए मैं तुम्हारे लिए कुछ लाया हूँ. That's why I brought you something. That's why I brought you something. वैसे मैं भी वहाँ जाया करता था. By the way, I also used to go there. By the way, I also used to go there. जो हम करने जा रहे हैं किसी ने उसे बता दिया. Somebody told him what we are gonna do. Somebody told him what we are gonna do. वैसे मैंने उसे बताया था. By the way, I told him. By the way, I told him. मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं किया है. I haven't done anything wrong. I haven't done anything wrong. तो तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है. You think so. You think so. बाहर चल क्या रहा है? What the hell is going on out there? What the hell is going on out there? वे तुम्हें ढूंढ रहे हैं. They are looking for you. They are looking for you. तो तुमने हमें धोखा दिया. So you betrayed us. So you betrayed us. लेकिन मुझे एक बात बताने दो. But let me tell you one thing. But let me tell you one thing. तो तुम्हें लगता है मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ. So you think I am lying. So you think I am lying. क्या मैंने वैसा कब कहा? What? When did I say that? What? When did I say that? पता नहीं किस बात से वो गुस्सा हुआ. I don't know what made him angry. I don't know what made him angry. वो बस बिना कुछ कहे ही चला गया. He just left without saying anything. He just left without saying anything. मैं तुम्हारे सपनों को पूरा करने में मदद कर सकता हूँ. I can help you make your dreams come true. I can help you make your dreams come true. तुम्हारे पास सब होगा जो तुमने हमेशा से चाहा है. You will have everything that you have always wished for. You will have everything that you have always wished for. अगर तुमने कुछ और मांगा होता. If you had asked for anything else. If you had asked for anything else. तो तुम्हें पता चलता है मैं कितना बड़ा दानी हूँ. You would have found out how generous I am. You would have found out how generous I am. इसे वैसे मत पकड़ो. Don't hold it like that. Don't hold it like that. ये बहुत नाजुक है. It's very delicate. It's very delicate. Okay, that's all for today. So please, 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 please subscribe to my channel and also give it a thumbs up. Okay, so stay happy and take care and happy learning.